Hi guys, selecting a fishing reel that fits both your needs and your budget can be a daunting task. Hundreds of options are available, and if you're not sure what you're looking for, it can quickly become overwhelming. That's why I got my hands on the top reels from the top brands in the fishing industry to put through a summer of abuse in tournament bass fishing. Here are picks for the best fishing reels after a year of testing. So, let's get started. Number 5, SeaKnight brand, Series Baitcasting, Fishing Reel. This fishing reel is here with the 67% price off. Now you can get it at around $32. When it comes to conquering the waters with precision and power, anglers turn to gear they can trust. Enter the SeaKnight FALCAN 3 Series Baitcasting Reel, a game changer in the world of fishing reels. Let's dive into what makes this reel stand out and why it's a must-have for anglers seeking top-tier performance. High-speed gear ratios. The SeaKnight FALCAN 3 Series Baitcasting Reel is available in two impressive gear ratios, 7.3:1 and 8.1:1. These high-speed gear ratios allow for lightning-fast retrieves, making it ideal for techniques that require quick bait presentation and efficient lure manipulation. Whether you're targeting fast-moving predators or need to cover water rapidly, the FALCAN 3 has you covered. Ultra-lightweight design. Weighing in at just 180 g, the SeaKnight FALCAN 3 Series Baitcasting Reel is remarkably lightweight, reducing fatigue during long days on the water. This ultra-light design doesn't compromise on strength or durability, thanks to its high-quality materials and precision engineering. Anglers can cast with ease and enjoy extended fishing sessions without strain. Impressive drag power. Despite its featherweight construction, the SeaKnight FALCAN 3 Series Baitcasting Reel delivers impressive drag power, boasting a maximum drag of 15 lb. This robust drag system provides the muscle needed to control hard-fighting fish and bring them to the boat with confidence. Whether you're battling bass, pike, or inshore species, the FALCAN 3 can handle the challenge. Long casting capabilities. Equipped with advanced casting technology, the SeaKnight FALCAN 3 Series Baitcasting Reel excels in long-distance casting. Its precision-engineered spool design and smooth casting performance allow anglers to reach distant targets with ease, maximizing their fishing range and efficiency on the water. Number 4, Original Abu Garcia, PMAX3 Left-Right, Fishing Reel. This fishing reel is here with the 64% price off. Now you can get it at around $30. When it comes to mastering the art of baitcasting, anglers demand precision, power, and reliability from their gear. Enter the Abu Garcia Pro Max PMAX3 Baitcasting Fishing Reel, a true champion in the world of fishing reels. Let's explore what sets this reel apart and why it's a favorite among anglers worldwide. Unmatched gear ratio. The Abu Garcia Pro Max PMAX3 boasts an impressive gear ratio of 7.1:1, offering lightning-fast retrieves that are essential for a wide range of fishing techniques. Whether you're flipping heavy cover, burning spinner baits through shallow water, or working topwater lures with precision, this reel delivers the speed you need to stay ahead of the game. Smooth and reliable performance. Equipped with 8 stainless steel ball bearings, the Abu Garcia Pro Max PMAX3 ensures smooth and reliable operation with every cast and retrieve. The bearings are strategically placed to minimize friction and provide effortless casting distance, while the advanced drag system delivers up to 8.1 kilograms of stopping power to tame even the toughest fish. Versatile design. Designed for versatility, the Abu Garcia Pro Max PMAX3 is suitable for a wide range of baitcasting applications. Whether you're targeting bass in freshwater lakes, pike in rivers, or redfish in saltwater flats, this reel excels in various fishing environments and techniques, making it a go-to choice for anglers of all skill levels. Durable construction. Crafted with precision engineering and high-quality materials, the Abu Garcia Pro Max PMAX3 is built to withstand the rigors of heavy use and harsh fishing conditions. Its durable construction ensures long-lasting performance, while the water drop design adds a touch of style to your fishing arsenal. The next is Number 3, DAIWA Heavy Duty Fishing, Fishing Reel. This fishing reel is here with the 74% price off. Now you can get it at around $13. When it comes to tackling the challenges of trolling in both sea and freshwater environments, anglers need a reel that can handle the rigors of heavy-duty fishing with ease. Enter the DAIWA XG1000 7000 Heavy Duty Fishing Reel, a powerhouse of performance engineered to conquer the toughest fishing conditions. Let's dive into what makes this reel a game changer for trolling enthusiasts. Dominating drag power. With a staggering 40 kg drag power, the DAIWA XG1000 7000 fishing reel is built to handle the most aggressive fish species with confidence. Whether you're battling monster tuna in the open ocean or wrestling with trophy-sized freshwater predators, this reel delivers the stopping power needed to control even the hardest fighting fish. Built to last. Crafted with a rugged metal body, the DAIWA XG1000 7000 fishing reel is designed to withstand the punishing demands of heavy-duty fishing. Its durable construction ensures longevity and reliability, making it the perfect companion for anglers who demand performance and durability in their gear. Versatile performance. Equipped with a versatile gear ratio of 5.5:1, the DAIWA XG1000 7000 fishing reel offers the perfect balance of speed and power for a wide range of trolling techniques. Whether you're slow trolling live bait for trophy fish or covering vast expanses of water with high-speed trolling spreads, this reel provides the versatility to adapt to any fishing scenario. Dual-purpose design. One of the standout features of the DAIWA XG1000 7000 fishing reel is its dual-purpose design, making it equally at home in both sea and freshwater environments. Whether you're targeting saltwater gamefish like marlin, sailfish, or kingfish, or chasing freshwater giants like muskie, pike, or catfish, this reel has the versatility to handle it all. The next is Number 2, PURELURE New Feather 4G Spool Fishing Reel. This fishing reel is here with the 31% price off. Now you can get it at around $92. For anglers seeking finesse and precision in their fishing endeavors, the PURELURE Silver Feather Ultralight BFS Baitcasting Reel is a game-changer. Designed with meticulous attention to detail and engineered for superior performance, this baitcaster is poised to revolutionize your fishing experience. Let's delve into what makes this reel a must-have for finesse fishing enthusiasts. Featherweight design. Weighing in at just 119 g, the PURELURE Silver Feather Ultralight BFS Baitcasting Reel is a true featherweight. Its lightweight construction makes it ideal for finesse fishing applications where delicate presentations and subtle movements are paramount. Whether you're targeting shad, trout, or other finicky species, this reel offers the sensitivity and control needed to entice even the most cautious fish. Precision engineering. Equipped with a 4G spool, the Silver Feather BFS reel is designed for ultra-finesse bait casting. Its low-profile design and compact form factor allow for precise casting and effortless lure control. The reel's high-quality bearings and smooth drag system ensure buttery smooth performance, while its 7.3:1 gear ratio provides the perfect blend of speed and power for finesse techniques. Versatile applications. While the Silver Feather BFS reel excels in finesse fishing scenarios, its versatility extends beyond ultralight applications. Whether you're casting lightweight finesse rigs or pitching heavier baits with pinpoint accuracy, this reel delivers the performance and versatility to tackle a wide range of fishing techniques and conditions. Durable construction. Crafted with precision and durability in mind, the PURELURE Silver Feather Ultralight BFS Baitcasting Reel is built to withstand the rigors of intense fishing sessions. Its rugged construction and corrosion-resistant materials ensure long-lasting performance, even in harsh freshwater and saltwater environments. The next is Number 1, KastKing Sharky 3 Ball Bearings Fishing Reel. This fishing reel is here with the 69% price off. Now you can get it at around $308. When it comes to angling, having the right gear can make all the difference. Meet the KastKing Sharky 3 Spinning Reel, a powerful and reliable tool designed to elevate your fishing game to new heights. Packed with features and built to withstand the rigors of both freshwater and saltwater fishing, this spinning reel is a must-have for any angler. Durable construction. Crafted with a durable metal body, the KastKing Sharky 3 spinning reel is built to last. Its rugged construction ensures that it can withstand the toughest conditions, whether you're battling trophy bass in a freshwater lake or targeting saltwater giants in the open ocean. With its corrosion-resistant design, this reel is ready to tackle any environment. Smooth performance. Equipped with 10+1 corrosion-resistant ball bearings, the Sharky 3 spinning reel delivers silky smooth performance with every cast and retrieve. Its precision-engineered gears and smooth drag system provide exceptional control and responsiveness, allowing you to handle even the most demanding fish with ease. Whether you're casting lightweight lures or battling a hard-fighting trophy fish, this reel offers the performance you need to succeed. Max drag and gear ratio. Featuring an impressive max drag of 18 kilograms, the Sharky 3 spinning reel gives you the power to take on the toughest fish. Its high-strength drag system provides consistent pressure, allowing you to tire out your catch without worrying about equipment failure. Versatile fishing reel. Whether you prefer freshwater or saltwater fishing, the KastKing Sharky 3 spinning reel has you covered. Its versatile design makes it suitable for a variety of fishing methods, including spinning, casting, trolling, and more. So this is the best option for you to buy.